The time is 11:15. Coyotes are starting to howl. I don't know if it's in conjunction with or a response to this mysterious sound, but I'm going to be going closer. I don't have a flashlight. I don't have a camera because my camera is dead. I'm charging it right now. Let us record the sound. The mysterious sound is coming from the direction of some mountains. Now, I don't know if it's coming from the mountains, and you might also be able to hear the coyotes howling and barking. But that's what they do on a regular basis, so I don't know if that's their response to it or not. But I'm kind of vulnerable out here in the middle of the dark. These coyotes could shred me to pieces if they wanted to. So I'm probably going to be heading back in, but let me just record a couple more minutes of this unusual, mysterious sound that everyone's hearing. I don't know if it's the same thing as everyone else. It could be strictly a gigantic generator that I've never heard, and it maybe just got turned on. Maybe it's a huge air conditioning system for the biggest building in the world, but I'm not next to any massive buildings. I'm in a desert wash right now, and there's no water. It's totally dry. I'll try to get closer if I hear this again, but not when there's coyotes in the vicinity. Bring my dog next time. Let me just continue to record a few more minutes of this sound. It's a pretty cool sound effect, actually. Maybe I'll use it. But I'm going to be heading back because coyotes stopped barking. Maybe they're getting close to me. I don't know. But I'm just going to be heading back. I'm going to turn off my computer now. This has been John Houston with Hoaxhunter.